Hello students and welcome to Smartkidz tutorials. In this video we will be finding the sum of an arithmetic progression when the nth term is unknown. So you will be given a problem like this, the way we have over here. Find the sum of an arithmetic progression 3, 6, 9, 12 all the way up to 20th term. So what we are being asked to say is find out the sum, total, when we add the terms in this arithmetic progression. 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 9. So instead of doing manually, we have a formula that we can use in order to find the total of such an arithmetic progression up when the nth term is not known. So we are just given 20th term, we don't know what is that term, but that is what we need to find out. So in this case we have a formula, as I said, and that formula is this: Sn equal to n upon 2 whole thing in multiplied by in brackets 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put this entire thing in the bracket. Okay. Next what we do is we list down what does Sn, n, a and d stand for. So Sn stands for the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. Then n stands for the number of terms. A stands for the first term. Then you have D in this case. So D stands for the common difference between two consecutive terms. Now that we know what does each one stand for, let's see what are these values from the problem that is given to us. So from here we can easily say that a is equal to 3 as the first term. Then we have been given n equal to 20 because we have asked to find up to the 20th term. Next we can say that Sn is what we are asked to find out, so I'll put a question mark over there. D is the common difference. I'll take a2 minus a1, difference between these two terms, so that would be 6 minus 3, and we get the common difference is 3. Now that we have got the values, let's put these values in this formula to find Sn, or in this case it will be S20. So S20 is 20 upon 2 in brackets 2 into a, which is 3, plus n, which is 20, minus 1 in d, which is 3. Close this bracket. 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20, so we get 10 brackets 2 into 3 6, plus 20 minus 1 is 19. Put this in brackets into 3. Close this bracket. Then 10 into 6 plus 19 into 3 gives us 57. Close the bracket. And 10 into 6 plus 57 is 63. So that means our S20 is 10 into 63, which is 630. So this is the figure that we get when we add this arithmetic progression all the way up to its 20th term. So this is the formula that we use in order to find the sum of an arithmetic progression like this up to the particular term that is mentioned. Okay. So if you like watching this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and keep watching for more such videos. Thank you.